My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Wwpl. Wwpl is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. In the video I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files, and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. Once again, I'm not related to this ransomware and I cannot help you decrypt your files. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the data without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So it is called Wwpl. The ransomware encrypts the files and appends the Wwpl extension to the file names. So it is then impossible to use the data. The ransomware would tell the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this goal. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install it, and start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software would begin scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner would also first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. We recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data with this anti-ransomware feature. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your files.